Last week, Huawei launched a new smartphone, Huawei P30 Lite New Edition in the UK. The latest update for Huawei P30 Lite launched last year. Following the successful launch of the Huawei P30 Lite last year, we've updated this handset to bring people an even better device for taking, storing and processing photos. The Huawei P30 Lite New Edition is a great option for those looking to own a world-famous Huawei P Series smartphone, said Anson Zhang, Managing Director UK Huawei Consumer Business Group. Huawei P30 Lite New Edition runs Android 9-based MIUI 9.1 with Google Mobile Services and pre-installed Google apps. The company may update this phone with MIUI 10 update soon after its sales. Also, the new edition inherits the same design as last year's P30 Lite and comes in 4 color options of midnight black, pearl white, peacock blue, and breathing crystal. The main upgrade of this new smartphone focuses on increased RAM and storage capacity, which expands to 6GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage and was restricted at 4GB plus 128GB on P30 Lite 2019. Huawei P30 Lite New Edition will be available in the UK from January 15th, priced at £299. $389 at select retailers and operators. This phone will also launch in more European markets.